What is copywriting? So in this video we are going to see what exactly the copywriting is. Copywriting basically is write to sell. You are writing in order to sell something, right? So whenever you see an ad in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, maybe we can say when we have YouTube ads, in that time people are using video sales letter, right? So in order to sell something, you will have certain things on the paper. That is the copywriting, and people will use it, that particular thing, in order to speak in the video. When they speak that particular thing, that's called video sales letter, right? So what is copywriting and why it is so important right now? Previously, if you see in the newspaper ad that people used to do copywriting in the newspaper, right? People used to give the ad and people used to watch that particular ad, and then they can call, and whatever there is a call to action, they used to do that. But I think right now the importance of copywriting will become a lot of bigger, so much bigger right now, because everyone can do their ad through Facebook, Instagram, and they have the access in order to do the ad right now in the Facebook and Instagram. So if they are doing that, so they need someone who can write their ad in the Facebook, so that anybody, any new person can watch that particular ad, or maybe read that particular ad. So in that time he should feel influenced, and he should click on that particular link, whether he has to buy or whether he has to book a call, and whatever there is a call to action, right? So I think copywriting means you are helping businesses to sell that particular product by using written word. And Dunlop, the great Dunlop, used to say that copywriting is selling in print, right? You are using print media in order to sell something. So salesmanship in print, selling in print, and using the written word to sell something. So basically, copywriter is a salesperson who is behind the camera, who is writing the stuff, and it is not a content writer. He is not doing some content writing over there. He's writing in order to influence the customer, so that they can straight away buy that particular product and services from that particular business owner. So that skill called copywriting. Copywriter has to have that particular skill in order to sell the product and services. So what is copywriting? Copywriting is salesmanship in print, using written word to sell